Hi, it's Said, and today I'll show you how to change the camera settings on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first open the camera, turn on, okay, don't allow the location, and right here we have the More and Pro. And here you can change every setting of the camera. For example, here you have the ISO, the shutter speed, the exposure, focus, and white balance. Also, you can right here enable the flash, change the megapixels of the camera, change the front and back camera, and right here put in the filters. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.